This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Now let's go deeper, because this is where most Audi drivers have no idea what they're missing. You've already seen how MMI controls the core behavior of your car, but the real difference comes from the details. Small adjustments, hidden settings, things that don't look important, but completely change how your Audi feels. Let's start with something simple, reaction time. Most drivers think their car is slow, but in reality, it's delayed. And that delay comes from how the system interprets your input. When you press the accelerator, your Audi doesn't just react instantly, it processes the signal. And depending on your settings, that reaction can be soft or aggressive. In Comfort or Auto, the response is filtered. The system smooths your input. That makes the car feel slower. Now switch to a more aggressive configuration. Suddenly, the throttle reacts faster. The engine responds quicker. The car feels more alive. Same power, different delivery. Now let's go to another hidden factor. Gearbox behavior. This is one of the biggest differences between modes. In relaxed modes, the gearbox shifts early. This keeps RPM low. It improves comfort, but reduces responsiveness. In more aggressive settings, the gearbox holds gears longer. That means higher RPM, more immediate power. And this is where the plus 20% feel comes from. Not real horsepower, but access to power. Now here's something most drivers ignore: steering feedback. At first it doesn't seem important, but it changes how connected you feel to the car. In softer modes, steering is light. Feedback is reduced. In dynamic, steering becomes heavier, more precise, more direct. And when the steering is more direct, your brain perceives the car as faster because you feel more in control. Now let's go deeper into personalization. Your Audi allows you to create a driving profile that matches exactly how you want the car to behave. But here's the mistake: most drivers choose extremes, full comfort or full dynamic. But the real magic is in balance. For example, engine, dynamic, transmission, dynamic, steering, comfort, which makes the car perfect for daily use, but still aggressive when needed. Now let's talk about another hidden detail: driver focus. Your MMI display influences how you drive. If your screen is full of unnecessary information, you get distracted. If it's clean and optimized, your reactions improve. So simplifying your display reduces cognitive load, improves reaction time, makes driving smoother. And smoother driving always feels faster. Now here's something most drivers never realize: sound. Engine sound, system feedback, even subtle audio cues. These affect perception. A more engaging sound feels more powerful, even if nothing mechanical changes. And this is not fake. It's psychological. Now let's connect everything: throttle response, gearbox behavior, steering feel, visual feedback, sound perception, all controlled through MMI. When these elements are aligned, your Audi transforms, not into a different car, but into the car it was always meant to be. Now let's talk about real results. You can realistically feel up to plus 20% better, faster reaction time, more engaging driving experience, and most importantly, you feel in control. And that changes everything. Because driving is not just about speed, it's about how the car responds to you. Before we finish, remember this: if you want more hidden Audi tricks, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Because once you understand how to use MMI properly, you stop driving your Audi like everyone else, and you start driving it the way it was designed to be driven.
What if even after discovering the first set of MMI secrets, you're still missing the most powerful ones? Because here's the truth: MMI is designed in layers. The first layer is what everyone sees. The second layer is what only curious drivers find. The second layer is what only curious drivers find. And the third layer, that's where the real difference is. Let's start with something simple, but extremely useful: navigation behavior. Most drivers use navigation only to reach a destination, but your Audi's MMI system can do much more. It learns your habits, your routes, your driving patterns, and over time, it can suggest faster routes, alternative paths, and even predict where you're going. But here's the problem: if you don't interact with it properly, it never reaches its full potential. Saving favorite destinations, using recent routes, and allowing the system to learn improves accuracy over time. Now let's go deeper. Quick access controls. Every time you go through menus, you lose time and distraction. But MMI allows faster access to key functions. Not everyone knows this, but reducing the number of steps to reach your most used features changes everything. Because when something is immediate, you actually use it. Now let's talk about media control. Most drivers connect their phone and stop there. But MMI allows you to control audio quality, source priority, connection stability. But MMI allows you to control audio quality, source priority, connection stability. And when optimized, this improves the entire in-car experience. No lag, no interruptions, just smooth interaction. Now here's something very few people use. Voice control. Many drivers ignore it. They think it's slow or useless. But in newer systems, it's extremely powerful. You can change navigation, adjust settings, control media without touching anything. And this reduces distraction significantly. Before we continue, quick reminder, if you want to unlock every hidden Audi feature, improve your daily driving, and get the most out of your car, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now here's the key idea. The less you touch the system, the better you drive. And MMI is designed to support that. In the next part, we'll go even deeper. Advanced tricks, hidden behaviors, and small changes that make your Audi feel not just smarter, but easier to live with every single day. Now let's go even deeper, because this is where MMI becomes truly powerful. Not just a system, but an extension of how you drive. Let's start with something most drivers completely ignore. Driver profiles. Your Audi can store multiple profiles, each one with seat position, mirror settings, driving modes, MMI preferences. And this is not just for multiple drivers, it's for different situations. You can create a daily profile, a sport profile, a comfort profile. You can create a daily profile, a sport profile, a comfort profile. Switching between them instantly changes the entire experience. Same car, different personality. Now let's talk about system responsiveness. Over time, some systems feel slower. Menus lag. Transitions are not as smooth. This often happens because too many active connections, background processes, old data. Optimizing this is simple. Cleaning unused devices, resetting connections, and updating the system can restore speed. And when the system is faster, everything feels better. Now here's something very important. Screen focus. Where you look matters. If your screen shows too many things, your brain gets overloaded. But if it shows only what you need, your reactions improve. So simplifying your interface reduces distraction, improves control, makes driving smoother. Now let's go into something more advanced. Driving integration. Your MMI system communicates with driving assists, engine behavior, vehicle dynamics. And when everything is aligned, the car feels more natural. But when settings conflict, the car feels inconsistent. That's why using a balanced configuration is key. Now, let's connect everything. Navigation, profiles, voice control, display, driving modes, all part of one system. And when used correctly, your Audi becomes smarter, faster to use, more intuitive. Now here's the key insight. Most drivers think technology complicates driving, but when used correctly, it simplifies everything. And that's the real purpose of MMI. Not more features, better experience. Before we finish, remember this. If you want more hidden Audi tricks, real driving improvements, and ways to unlock your car's full potential without spending money, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Because once you master MMI, you don't just use your Audi, you control it, and that changes everything.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.